It's that time of year. We're spreading lots of holiday cheer. Gather all my family and friends. I want all my loved ones near. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? Christmas tree is bright and glistening. Gingerbread house and cookies up on the stove. I feel all of the love like I'm spinning across the globe. I hope your Christmas is joyful and filled with light. And I just came to tell you one thing tonight. That is said I'm wishing a Merry Christmas, Christmas, ooh yeah, to you. I'm wishing a Merry Christmas, Christmas, ooh yeah, to you.
You should have seen it come. You acted numb, don't deny. You are like a moth to the flame. When you get that feeling, they can be deceiving. Tell it like it is, 'cause I need to know. You were playing with fire, can't you see? You better take it easy, let it go, 'cause you should have known better. You should have known better. Your hands are full of matches, and you just can't seem to let them go. And when the fire catches, you'll be on your Ooh, yeah, yeah. Tell it like it is, 'cause I need to know. You were playing with fire, can't you see? You better take it easy, let it go, 'cause you should have known better. You should have known better. Tell it like it is, 'cause I need to know. You were playing with fire, can't you see? You better take it easy, let it go, 'cause you should have known better. You should have known better. Should have known better. You should have known better. Should have known better. You should have known better.
Thought I had to try to make no mistakes. I prep ahead of time, I'm never late. Make it there on time, don't bring down the mood. Greet them with a smile. I thought that it was smart, stay in my lane, always hit the mark. Thought that was the way to get a head start. Perfection's the play, I had the leading part. I realize you never get a medal in the end. No, no one's gonna give you any credit. I was playing a game, but no one else seemed to participate. And I can't believe I got so judgy. I don't know what got into me. Can't believe I let it get so ugly. I let it go too far. Got so judgy, making sure nobody got above me. Can't believe I let it get so ugly. I let it go too far. Got so overworking every situation, keeping track of what everybody's doing. Do they have something I like? Try to prove I could be just as good, but I misunderstood what it's supposed to be about. Realize you never get a medal in the end. No, no one's gonna give you any credit. I was playing a game, but no one seemed to participate. And I can't believe I got so judgy. I don't know what got into me. Can't believe I let it get so ugly. I let it go too far. Got so judgy, making sure nobody got above me. Can't believe I let it get so ugly. I let it go too far. Got so coloring inside of the lines.
It's that time of year. We're spreading lots of holiday cheer. Gather all my family and friends. I want all my loved ones near. Sleigh bells.
Today's reminder, give thanks to the Lord, for he is good, and his love endures forever.
It's bright and glistening. Gingerbread house and cookies upon